so much for coming. Today, as promised in an earlier video, somewhere near the end. Oh, what is that? Ah! Sorry, I just went to go and move this RAM expansion thing, and the top came off. I guess that's because the screws aren't there. I wonder where they are. Anyway, in this case, which is not marked, resides a Commodore calculator. This model is an 887D. Takes a 9-volt battery. If you missed the previous episode, you would know, or sorry, you would not know, that inside is the manual, which of course also lists the sales and service centers. Oh yeah, there's one in Canada. Anyway, it is not a humongously huge manual. We have, the number of functions we have are plus, minus, multiply, and divide. That is what there is. It's a very simple, basic, not even a book. Ooh. It's a long sheet of paper, folded ever so, just so. But it does give some examples. Ooh. And, there's the guarantee registration card. Ooh. Never sent in. Power. Battery. Model D. Experience has proven that batteries packed with machines age considerably. To protect your calculator, we have omitted the battery from the package. Please ask your dealer for a fresh new power cell. In the event your brand new machine does not function, please check the battery first. Imagine. The other thing that was in this was indeed the bill. No. The bill. It was bought from Eaton's of Canada, and let's be gentle. It seems there are 4 parts to this because it was picked up, or it seems it was picked up like at a catalog place. Ooh, okay, come on. Come on. Yes, Eaton's catalog filling ticket calculator adapter case. Calculator was $19.98, adapter was $4.98, and the case $1.99. Grand total of $26.96 with $1.50 in tax, for a total complete out the door $28.46. I wish I had a year. I know who bought it. Pay by check. Well, okay, it's got to be from a while ago. The form here is from, it doesn't say a specific, no, it doesn't have a specific date. But the form was, this version of the form was from the 3rd month of 1975. Right, Penny? Alright, let us carefully put the paperwork aside. Anyway, inside was a very lovely, hi Penny, very lovely, very pure white, very beautiful calculator. I mean, it really looks like it's hardly been used. There's a little, I don't know, discoloration on the back. Alright, before opening up that, I will open up this. Where I have a pack of 2 batteries. And this, I want to be very careful. It slides off. Battery must be connected. Imagine that. Just a moment. Let's see what other... Oh, what have I done with my eyewear? Well, an avalanche ensues. Anyway. Excuse me. Battery must be completely removed before plugging in adapter jack for AC operation. Oh, I never knew that. Well, because I don't know where the adapter is, I guess that doesn't matter. Ooh, I had this off before. I really don't want to. Okay, there we go. I don't want to break it. Don't want to break it. Don't want to break it. Alright. 1 9-volt battery. 1 plug for a 9-volt battery. And one would think that then this will fit nicely inside. And I'm going to live on the wild side, and I'm going to put this cover back on. I don't want to lose it. Feels a lot heavier. Hi, Penny. Look. Penny, we've got a calculator here. Hello, Penny. Hi. Okay, so here is the magic moment. Yes, Penny. Penny, Penny, Penny. We're going to turn this calculator on and see if it works. So, all there is on the front are numbers, and yes, indeed, plus, minus, division, multiplication, equals. Oh, and there is also, you can put some things in memory, and there's percentage. Anyway, and there is a power switch right here. I'm going to turn it on. Penny. Hi, Penny. I don't know if it works yet, so I'm going to look back here. Oh, I see a 0. Penny, it works. Isn't that magical? Yes, isn't it magical? So now do the buttons work? 9, 9, 9, 9. Well, almost. It's funny. I punched in a whole bunch of 9s, and a 1 came up in the midst of that. And remember, these keys have not been touched in, I don't know. I really don't know. I've never had this out that I remember. But everything else that I punch in comes up okay. I'm just running through the numbers. Oh, that was a little funky. When I did the 8, I'm not sure if it came up right. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. There, I guess it did. But when I did the 9s before, oh, no, so... Hi, Penny. It definitely, there is something a little wonky. Maybe I just need to hit them a little more. Or not hit them, but press them. Hi, Penny. So let's see, if I had 25 Commodore 64s, and I sold them 300. Oh, I hit the plus, I hit the point. Oh dear. There. Penny, hi. How are you doing? Look, this calculator works. Isn't it magical? Hi. Are you you wanting to come up? Is that what you are wanting? I'm sure. Oh, it's cat skin. Come here, Penny. Come here, Penny. Penny. Excuse me. Penny, want to come up? Come on. I know this is complicated. See, Penny... Hi, Penny. Penny doesn't really like to be held much, but she does seem to like to climb. Okay. So if she climbs enough, I can gather her. And then if I pet her enough, she will stay with me. Won't you, Penny? Won't you, Penny? Yes, you will. Yes, she especially likes having her head rubbed. So, Penny, what do you think of this calculator? It is, this calculator. I mean, I could probably look it up on Wikipedia or something, but based on the paperwork that doesn't really have a date that has to do with this calculator, hi, Penny, yes, you are beautiful. This calculator is, by golly, well, could be 45 years old. Maybe not that much. Between 40 and 45, probably. And it works. I never knew, like I have seen, hi Penny, hi, the adapters. I remember my mother had a similar calculator to this, but it was smaller and more square. It was. Somewhere I might even have it around. I think, though, that the nameplate or something has come off of it. But it, I know she often had it plugged in, but I never ever knew that if you didn't want to use the battery, that you should take it out. I didn't know that. Penny, did you know? Are you holding out on me? Hi, Penny. Hi. Hello. Yes. Nice, Penny. Okay. Oh, okay. There you go. Nice, smooth transition. Steven. Okay, we'll talk. So here it is. A working Commodore calculator, model 887D, made in the USA. What else does it say? Oh, I see. For the AC operation, use Commodore adapter number 505 or DC dash. Ugh. What have I done with my glasses? 620R, 9 volt. Yeah. Unsnap and remove battery before plugging in AC adapter. Attempted repair by unauthorized persons voids warranty. Yes, the sacred Commodore warranty. Well, I'm believing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that with a little pressing of the buttons, that, hi Penny, things are working okay. And it does seem, oh yeah, you can put a number in memory. Isn't that beautiful? Cool. Yeah, so I've got the number 69 in memory, and I know it's in memory because there's a tiny little red dot off to the side. And anytime I want that number, I can put it in and I can say, divided by 13. Ew, it's 5.3. 0769223. Or so it seems. Even if I press clear, that little red dot stays lit. Until, of course, I press memory minus. Oh, no, it didn't go away. MT. Okay. 5 times so somehow, if I put it in memory with a memory plus, very good. If I press MT, it gives me the number, but it takes it out. There we go. Ooh, how advanced this was. But you know, I will turn it off. I guess for the AC operation, you could just keep using it and using it. I'm sure that, you know, I don't know how long the battery lasts. But really, even this, way back when, I'm sure at some point had professors and teachers wondering about cheating. But, you know, like I do regular math pretty okay. I do. But I think for somebody who worked in something like a bank or at a store where there was money and numbers and things, this would not be a bad thing to just eliminate that slipped decimal point or some sort of error. Anyway, for the moment, I'm going to leave this battery in here because I might use this. But of course, certainly if I got the 9-volt adapter, I would take it out. But also, if I was going to put this in a box that I was going to get back to very soon, which means probably somewhere in the next 10 years, the battery might go bad and ruin the calculator. And that would be tragic. Somewhere in the other boxes I have found in the basement, I did find a case that actually had a Commodore logo on it. Right there. Embossed. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to put that down. I will, of course, take the remnants of my batteries and recycle it. And this battery, which is really not, these are not grand, glorious, you know, long-lasting batteries. I did find a smoke detector in the basement that was without a battery, although there are smoke detectors with batteries. This one was just in a box. So I will test it. And I shall. So Hagrid, oh, I forgot to put Hagrid's hands down. Well, we can maybe put them up a little higher to celebrate and do a little dance. So Hagrid, the calculator works. It works, I tell you. Bought from Eaton's of Canada in the 70s, I suspect. Alright, well, excuse me. I don't know if you can see this, or if it's working, but this is one of those cutesy things for Halloween. That when, in one view, the people look perfectly fine, and then you tweak it a little bit, and they turn into monsters. Like family portraits gone bad. Well, I have a lot to tidy, so I best get to it. Thanks for coming. It is much appreciated. Bye for now.